One day, a very fat man was walking through the village. Suraj saw him and said,
Hey brother, eat a little less. What if one day because of your weight, you sink into the ground? Suraj, this is too much. You are always making fun of me. I eat with my own money. So why does it bother you? Of course it bothers me. If you eat up all the food alone, then what will be left for the rest of us? Hey, wait, I'll show you right now. If you have the courage, then try to catch me first.
Hearing this, the fat man starts chasing Suraj, but soon he gets very tired.
Hey, what happened, brother? That's why I say eat a little less.
Laughing loudly, he reaches home. Seeing him laugh so much, his wife Rashmi asks him, What did you see today that you just can't stop laughing?
That fat guy, remember? Today I made him run like crazy.
Hearing this, Rashmi gets really angry. You always make fun of others and laugh at them. One day, people will laugh at you the same way.
You are quite funny yourself, Rashmi. Hearing you is making me laugh even more. Now I really can't stop.
If you are done with your jokes and laughing, please go get me some medicine for my headache from the veggie. Suraj goes to fetch headache medicine for Rashmi. On the way, he sees a group of villagers talking amongst themselves. So he stops.
What's going on? Everyone gathered here like this? Looks like some serious discussion. Nothing serious. It's just so cold these days. So we came out to soak in a little sun.
Hearing this, Suraj bursts out laughing and starts holding his stomach, goes on laughing.
Looks like your wives didn't feed you today. That's why you have come to eat the sun instead. Go ahead, eat up and save some for me too. Suraj, you rascal! Wait, we'll show you now. Always making fun of us. Today you'll learn your lesson. Wait. Looks like the sunlight gave you all extra energy. That's why you are all running together today. No matter what, today we'll catch you, Suraj. You don't spare anyone.
Suraj was running and all the villagers were angrily chasing him. Seeing them behind him, he starts running faster.
Seems like today they won't stop until they catch me. If they get me, they'll turn me into sauce. I need to escape somehow before that happens.
While running, Suraj sees a big pile of hay and quickly hides inside. Soon, the villagers reach the same spot.
Oh shit, he fooled us again and ran away. We'll catch him one day.
All the villagers leave. Once they are gone, Suraj slowly comes out of the hay.
That was close. Before anyone else comes, I better get out of here. Oh no, I forgot. Rashmi told me to get headache medicine. If I go home without it, she won't even let me inside. Forget food. Before it gets dark, I better go to the Ved. Yes, let me go to the Ved first.
Suraj reaches Vedji and asks for headache medicine for Rashmi.
Vedji, Rashmi has a terrible headache. Please give me something that will cure it quickly. The best medicine you can give for same. Alright, I'll get it right away. Vedji, can I say something? Hope you won't mind. Of course not. What is it? Even the youngest kids in the village have grown up now. But you still look the same. Why don't you take something to grow taller too? This will definitely help you.
Hearing this, the Ved gets very angry. Ved was shorter in height and Suraj always made fun of his short height whenever he sees him.
This Suraj has become too much. Today I'll teach him a lesson he'll never forget. Don't laugh too much, Suraj, or your stomach might burst. Here, taste the special digestive powder I just made. Tell me how it is.
Suraj tastes the powder given by Vedji.
Wow, Veggie, this is really tasty.
As soon as he eats it, Suraj starts shrinking. He becomes really short like a dwarf. Seeing this, Divyak bursts out laughing. So now Suraj quickly runs away. As he walks through the village, people see him, but they can't stop laughing at him.
A dwarf is walking by. Suraj Bhaiya, what happened to you? Honestly, seeing you like this is so satisfying.
Saying this, everyone starts laughing loudly. Suraj feels very insulted seeing them laugh at him.
Does it feel bad? But we can't help. Seeing you like this, we just can't stop laughing.
Poor Suraj. He quietly walks away and reaches his home. As soon as Rashmi sees him, she too bursts out laughing. What has happened to you? Did you go to get medicine or to become a dwarf?
You are laughing at your husband in this condition.
Seriously, I can't stop laughing looking at you. I feel like picking you up and swinging you in my arms. You look so cute like this. You know, now I'm the only one in the village with a dwarf husband. Everyone will recognize me now. And they will say, you know what? There goes Rashmi's dwarf husband. And they will say, only Rashmi has got a dwarf husband. Seeing Rashmi laugh so much, Suraj feels really angry.
I am your husband and you're laughing at me like this? At least you shouldn't laugh at me.
Why? What happened? Now you realize how it makes feel to be made fun of. Suraj realizes his mistake. Now, feeling truly sorry, he goes to all the villagers and apologizes to them.
Please forgive me, everyone. I have behaved badly with all of you. I shouldn't have made fun of anyone. I'm really sorry. I apologize.
Just then, Veggie arrives there along with a herbal drink and offers it to Suraj.
Hey Suraj, drink this kadha. It will turn you back to normal.
Suraj drinks it and suddenly transforms back to his original self.
I'm back to normal. I'm not a dwarf anymore. Thank God.